Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Flow Channel, the place where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Henry. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are in the world, welcome.
Henry, before we start today's lesson, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, Emily. What would you like to know?
Tell me about your family. I feel like our learners would love to hear all about the people who are most important to you.
Oh, I would absolutely love to talk about my family. They are everything to me.
And that is exactly what today's lesson is all about. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about our families in English, how to describe the people we love, how to share our memories and our stories, naturally, warmly, and confidently.
Yes, talking about family is one of the most common topics in English conversation. When you meet someone new, they almost always ask about your family. Where are you from? Do you have brothers and sisters? Are you married? Do you have children?
And after today, you will be able to answer all of these questions easily and naturally. We will learn all the important vocabulary, useful phrases, and real expressions that native speakers use every day.
Are you ready to meet my family?
We are so ready. Let's go! So, Henry, tell me about your family. How many people are in your family?
Well, there are 4 people in my immediate family. My wife Sarah, our 2 children, and me, of course.
Oh, how lovely! A boy and a girl?
Yes, my son James is 8 years old, and my daughter Lily is 5. They are my whole world, honestly.
That is so sweet. And what about your parents? Are they still together?
Yes, they have been married for 35 years. They live in Canada. That is where I grew up. They are the most wonderful couple, always laughing, always supporting each other.
That is beautiful. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother. His name is David. He is married and has 3 children, so I am an uncle to 3 amazing kids. My nieces and nephews are so much fun. I love spending time with them whenever I visit Canada.
Being an uncle sounds wonderful. All the fun with none of the responsibility.
Exactly. That is the best part. Now, let's look at all the family vocabulary we just used. These are the most important family words in English.
First, immediate family. This means the people closest to you. Mother, father, son, daughter, brother, sister. These are your immediate family.
Mother or mom, mum. Father or dad. Son, a male child. Daughter, a female child. Brother, a male sibling. Sister, a female sibling.
Then we have extended family. These are the relatives beyond your immediate family. Grandparents, grandfather and grandmother, or grandpa and grandma, very informal and sweet.
Uncle, your parent's brother. Aunt, your parent's sister. Cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt. Nephew, your brother or sister's son. Niece, your brother or sister's daughter.
And then there are in-laws. When you get married, your husband or wife's family becomes your in-laws. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law.
In-laws can be wonderful, or sometimes a little tricky, but we always try to get along.
That is very true. And one more important word, spouse. Spouse means your husband or wife. It is a more formal word. My spouse and I have been married for 10 years. Henry, can you describe your wife for me? What is she like?
Oh, Sarah is absolutely wonderful. She is in her mid-30s. She has beautiful curly red hair and the brightest green eyes. She is medium height, always stylish, and always has the most contagious laugh.
She sounds amazing. And what is her personality like?
She is the kindest and most patient person I know. She works as a nurse, so she has this natural ability to make everyone feel calm and cared for. She is also incredibly funny. She makes me laugh every single day. She is the heart of our family.
That is so beautiful. Now, let's look at how Henry described his wife. He used very natural phrases. Let's go through them.
First, to describe age, we use these phrases. He is in his 20s, between 20 and 29. She is in her 30s, between 30 and 39. He is in his late 40s, between 45 and 49. She is in her early 60s, between 60 and 65.
These age phrases are so natural and useful. Much better than just saying, she is 34 years old.
Exactly. And for physical appearance, he has short dark hair. She has long blonde hair. He is tall and slim. She is medium height. He has blue eyes. She has a warm smile.
And for personality, she is kind. He is funny. She is patient. He is hardworking. She is caring. He is very creative. She is the life of the party.
The life of the party. That means someone who is very fun and social. The person who makes everyone happy at a gathering. That is definitely my brother David.
Now tell me about your father. What is he like?
My father is in his early 60s. He has short gray hair and always wears glasses. He is tall and strong. I get my height from him. He is very wise and calm. He never loses his temper. He always finds a solution to every problem. He is truly the rock of our family.
He sounds like an incredible man. Steady and strong, always there for everyone.
He really is. The rock of the family. That is the person who is always strong and dependable for everyone. In my family, that is my father without any doubt.
And the heart of the family, the person who holds everyone together with love. You said that is Sarah, your wife.
Absolutely. She keeps us all together. Without her, our family would be a very different place.
Henry, are you close to your family?
Very close, even though we live far apart. My parents and my brother David are all in Canada, and I'm here in New York. But distance has never made us less close. We are a very tight-knit family.
How do you stay connected?
We have a family group chat. We send messages, photos, and funny videos every single day. And every Sunday evening we have a family video call, all of us together. My kids love seeing their grandparents on the screen. My daughter Lily always shows Grandpa her drawings.
Oh, that is the sweetest thing. Your father must love that.
He absolutely does. He saves every single drawing she sends him. He has a whole folder on his phone. Lily's Art Gallery, he calls it.
That is so precious. Now, let's look at some useful phrases for talking about family relationships.
First, we are very close. This means you have a strong and loving relationship. My brother David and I are very close. We talk on the phone every week.
We are a tight-knit family. This means your family is very connected and supportive of each other, like a tight knot that never comes undone.
We have a family tradition. A tradition is something you always do at a special time. Every Sunday evening we have a family video call. It is our family tradition.
She is like a mother to me. This means someone who is not your mother, but treats you like a mother would. A very warm and meaningful phrase.
He looks just like his father. This means someone has the same appearance as their parent. My son James looks just like me, the same dark hair and the same stubborn expression.
She takes after her mother. This means someone has the same personality or habits as their parent. My daughter Lily takes after Sarah. Both are so warm, caring, and always laughing.
And one more. We have our ups and downs. This means sometimes things are good, and sometimes there are difficulties. Every family has this. David and I had our ups and downs when we were kids. We argued a lot, but now we are the best of friends.
Henry, can you share a funny family memory? Something that always makes you smile?
Oh, yes. Okay, so every Christmas, our whole family gets together at my parents' house in Canada. Last Christmas, my father decided, for the very first time in his life, that he wanted to make the Christmas dinner completely by himself. My mother always cooks everything, but this year he said, "I can do it, trust me."
Oh no, what happened?
Well, he spent the whole morning in the kitchen, very serious, very focused. He would not let anyone help him. At 2 o'clock, we all sat down at the table. He came out of the kitchen with the biggest smile, carrying the turkey. He put it on the table and said, "Merry Christmas, everyone."
And how was it?
He forgot to turn the oven on. The turkey was completely raw. He had been in the kitchen for 3 hours, completely convinced it was cooking, but the oven was cold the whole time.
Oh no, that is absolutely hilarious. What did everyone do?
We all just stared at each other for about 5 seconds, and then everyone burst out laughing at the same time. My father included. He laughed the hardest of all. In the end, we ordered pizza for Christmas dinner, and it was honestly one of the best Christmases we ever had.
That is such a perfect story, because it is not about the food. It is about the laughter and the love. That is what family is all about.
Exactly. And my father still talks about the Christmas pizza every single year. It has become a family legend.
A family legend. I love that. Now, let's look at the phrases we used in this story. He would not let anyone help him. This means he refused all offers of help. Completely convinced. He was 100% sure, with no doubt at all. Burst out laughing. To suddenly start laughing loudly and uncontrollably. A family legend. A story that is told again and again and has become part of your family's history. Wonderful! Henry, that was such a beautiful and funny lesson today. Your family sounds absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Emily. They really are. I am so lucky. And I hope our learners feel inspired to talk about their own families in English today.
Let's do a quick vocabulary review before we say goodbye. First word, immediate family. The closest members of your family, parents, children, brothers, and sisters. My immediate family has 4 people.
Extended family. The wider circle of relatives, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces, and nephews. We have a big extended family, over 30 people at Christmas.
Tight-knit. A tight-knit family is very close, connected, and supportive of each other. We are a very tight-knit family. We are always there for each other.
Tradition. Something special that a family always does at a particular time. Sunday evening video call is our family tradition.
Take after. To have the same personality or appearance as a parent or relative. My daughter Lily takes after her mother. Both are so warm and always laughing.
The heart of the family. The person who holds everyone together with love and warmth. My wife Sarah is the heart of our family.
The rock of the family. The person who is always strong, steady, and dependable for everyone. Henry's father is the rock of their family.
And finally, ups and downs. The good times and the difficult times that every family experiences together. My brother and I had our ups and downs, but now we are the best of friends.
Here is our question of the day. Tell us about one person in your family. How would you describe them? Are they the heart of the family? The rock? The life of the party?
Write your answer in the comments below. Tell us about someone special in your family. We read every single comment and we would absolutely love to hear your stories.
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for watching all the way to the end. Family is everything, and you are part of our Mr. English Flow family too.
If this lesson was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and lets us make more free lessons for you every week.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Flow so you never miss a new lesson. Just hit that subscribe button. It is completely free and it means the world to us.
Keep practicing every single day. Talk about your family in English. Describe them, tell their stories, share your memories. That is the most natural and beautiful way to practice.
We will see you in the very next video. Until then, hug your family, cherish every moment, and keep learning English.
Keep practicing. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.